If you've ever needed to back up your browsing activity, analyze your website visits, or simply keep a record of your Chrome history, this video is going to show you exactly how to export Chrome history quickly and easily. By the end, you'll know how to install the right extension, choose your export settings, download the file, and save everything to your computer in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome and go to the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by typing Chrome Web Store into the search bar, or by going directly to the store from your browser. Once you're in the Web Store, use the search box to look for an extension that can export your browsing history. Two common options are Export Chrome History or Quick Chrome History Export. These tools are designed to make the process simple, even if you've never used a Chrome extension before. After you find the extension you want, click on it to open the details page. Take a moment to review the description, ratings and permissions so you know you're installing the right tool. Then click Add to Chrome and confirm the installation. Chrome may ask you to approve the extension permissions, so just review those prompts and continue if everything looks good. Once the extension is installed, you'll usually see its icon in the top right corner of your browser toolbar. If you don't see it right away, click the Extensions menu and pin it to make it easier to access. Now click the extension icon to open the Export tool. This is where you'll choose the settings for your history export. Most extensions will let you pick a date range, so you can export all history or only a specific time period, like the last 7 days, last month, or a custom range. This is helpful if you only want certain browsing data instead of your entire history. Next, select the file format you want. The most common options are CSV and JSON. If you want something easy to open in spreadsheets, CSV is usually the best choice. If you want a more structured data file for developers or advanced use, JSON may be the better option. After selecting your date range and file format, double-check your settings to make sure everything looks correct, then click the Download button or Export button, depending on the extension you're using. The file will be generated and saved to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, it may go straight to your Downloads folder or prompt you to choose a save location. Once the download is complete, open the file to confirm that your Chrome history exported successfully. You should see your browsing data organized by date, title, and website, depending on the format you chose. And that's it. You've now exported your Chrome history in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more useful tech tips, and leave a comment if you want to see more Chrome tutorials in the future.